In this SAT geometry problem, we have two circles with the same center O. The larger circle has radius 10, and the smaller circle has radius 6. Point P lies on the larger circle, and tangent PT touches the smaller circle at point T. We need to find the length of PT. Let's first draw the figure. The line from the center O to the tangent point T is a radius, so it's perpendicular to PT. That makes triangle OPT a right triangle. OP is 10. OT is 6. By the Pythagorean theorem, PT squared equals 10 squared minus 6 squared. That's 100 minus 36, which equals 64. So PT equals the square root of 64, which is 8. The correct answer is 8. That is option C. Follow for more SAT math tricks and shortcuts.